a hug because we love you. You're a customer and that's the way we feel.
Get your Jim Gilbert's Advantage, full tank of gas, every vehicle, every time.
We'll give you a hug of friendship, because that's our whole appeal.
Our free nitrogen program helps you with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's part of our Jim Gilbert's Advantage.
Our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal. We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals.
Check out all the options and savings on these slightly used vehicles. All of our vehicles come with a free Carfax history report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry, after hours, of course.
Our motor vehicle inspection guaranteed 200% above industry standard. The safety of your family is important to you and to us.
Free walkaway job loss credit protection on all of our vehicles. All of our vehicles are professionally detailed. Some people say we even have cleaner cars than new.
Everybody loves the singing Hanwell Bears. Yes, you get them too.
At Wheels and Deals, all of our vehicles are best in class service, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time.
Lulu, do you know what everybody likes about Wheels and Deals? Everybody loves their birthday gift every year. Yes, they do. In the mail, they get a birthday gift every year. Wow.
All of our certified vehicles come with 2 keys guaranteed.